Question number 4. And number 5 after this question. Let's zoom out a little bit. All right. It says, an electronics manufacturer tests every 200th cell phone and verify that it is functioning properly. Identify what kind of sampling is being used. I got kind of lazy, so I didn't want to write the sampling like I did for the types of data. So I just copied and pasted from week 1 of my Stats 250 class. And here are the definitions of sampling. Hooray. Now, when it comes to a simple random or random sampling, it is sample obtained which all the members in the population have an equal chance of being selected. Well, based on this, that's not necessarily the case. I am selecting every 200th cell phone. Therefore, it is not simple random sampling. I am not doing it completely random. I am taking every 200th phone. It is true. The 200th phone will be random, but I'm setting some sort of pattern, some sort of precedent. When it comes to cluster sampling, it is obtained by dividing the population into sections or clusters and then selecting one or more of the clusters at random. And when you pick all those clusters, you're using all the members of that clusters as a part of your sample. This says nothing here about dividing a population into clusters. So I'm going to eliminate that. And yes, if you already know the answer is D. But I want to explain why the answer is D. Stratified sampling, obtained by dividing the population into subgroups or strata according to some characteristic relevant to the study. For one thing, we didn't even do that. We didn't mention nothing about dividing anything. But as it says, it also says that there can be several subgroups. Then the subjects are selected at random from each subgroup. We didn't do none of that. But when it comes to systematic, it says the sample is obtained by selecting every kth member of the population, where K is a counting number. We selected every 200 cell phone to verify that it is functioning. That's why the answer is D. It is systematic sampling. I just want to explain to you guys, kind of brief, what each sampling is, each sampling technique is, and how does it apply to the question. We also call this probability sampling. Number 5, it says, which choice is another term to describe a normal distribution? And before I even answer the question, I'm just going to draw that. Because when I see the word normal distribution, and I state later on in the playlist, I think of that. My normal distribution curve. My bell-shaped curve. I said curve. Curve. So, that's another thing, another term we can use to call the normal distribution curve. Now, sometimes it could be negative or possibly skewed. That's true. But it's still a bell-shaped curve. A discrete distribution? It's continuous. Independent variable. Oh, that is X. Nope. Bell curve. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got comfortable, enlightened the mood a little bit. Because we're in a ride. Well, we're not in a ride, but we're going to go for a ride. Take care.